If you got some problems, we'll be there to solve them. We're a squad who can do the job. We're a squad who can do the job. If a monster is in trouble, we'll be there on the double. We're the squad who can do the job. We're the squad who can do the job. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math-horrific, totally terrific, horribly horrific Monster Math Squad.
Uncle Gloop's big blunder.
Woohoo! My Uncle Gloop's coming to visit. Oh, I can't wait. Get it, Max? Wait.
What, 8? I get it. You look like an 8. That's funny, Goo.
Uncle Gloop says he's got a surprise to show us. I wonder what it is. Sorry, Max. Sorry, Lily. That scream screen always surprises me. I like surprises.
The Scream Screen! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there!
it's Mr. Cranky Pants Monster. Good morning.
Phooey! It's not a good morning. It's a very bad morning.
Yikes! Mr. Cranky Pants Monster is even more cranky than usual.
That's because my last customer just bought a monster scooter.
A monster scooter? Oh, I love monster scooters! How is that a bad thing?
It's bad because the customer didn't ride off on the scooter he bought. Oh, no. He took my scooter by mistake.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry, Mr. Cranky Pants Monster. We'll get your scooter back for you.
Huh, I'll believe it when I see it.
We need to find a scooter that could be anywhere in Monstrovia. Can Monster Math help us do that?
Yeah! Monster Math can solve any problem.
Because monster math is everywhere!
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Math-tastic. First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word monster!
Today's secret monster math word is pattern.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
Pattern!
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, right. I always forget.
Come on, Monster Math Squad. Let's go find that scooter.
Why are you so happy? My scooter is gone. All I've got left is its empty parking spot.
Can you tell us what your scooter looks like, Mr. Cranky Pants? Huh? Where did he go?
It looks like this. This is the scooter the customer was supposed to take. Mine looks like this, only my scooter is yellow and it has a different kind of tire.
What kind of different kind of tire?
One that makes a different kind of pattern.
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, pattern. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, pattern!
Look, it worked. A monster math monitor.
Picky Eater Monster only eats in a pattern that repeats. His morning bowl of breakfast bugs has triangle worms and circle slugs. He dumps them out and arranges them. 2 triangles, 1 circle, then the same again. That's how Picky Eater Monster eats, in a pattern that repeats.
Wow! He must need to know about patterns that repeat to find the missing monster scooter.
Hey, I found a pattern, I think.
Triangle, triangle, circle. Triangle, triangle, circle. You're right, Goo. It is a pattern that repeats.
That's my scooter's tire track.
Hey, that means if we follow your tire track pattern, we'll find your missing monster scooter.
Monster math, terrific idea, Max. Okay, Monster Math Squad.
Let's do monster math! And Just find my monster scooter.
Hey, what you doing, Lily?
Making a drawing of the pattern just in case we need it. See? Triangle, triangle, circle. Triangle, triangle, circle.
Good thinking, Lily. Come on, squad. Let's follow that pattern. This is pretty easy. We'll find that scooter in a monster minute.
Yeah, and get home in time for Uncle Gloop's visit. Wonder what surprise he's bringing to show us.
Max? Goo? Where are you going?
I'm following the tire track pattern.
Me too.
Well, so am I. But the track can't be going 3 different ways.
Uh-oh. It looks like we're following 3 different tracks. They must have been made by other scooters.
Whoops. Will you help us figure out which repeating pattern track we're supposed to be following? You will? Great!
This repeating pattern has a triangle, and a square. Triangle, triangle, square.
Does the pattern I drew look like that? No?
Oh, you're right. The pattern Lily drew has circles in it, and this one doesn't have any circles. So we know this isn't the right track.
That just leaves these 2 tracks. But they both have triangles and circles in them.
Which is the right track to follow? Hey, why don't we count how many triangles are in Lily's pattern and then see which track has the same number?
Good idea, Goo. 1, 2 triangles, then a circle.
Now let's count how many triangles there are in this track. 1, 2, 3 triangles, then a circle.
It's got more triangles in it than the pattern Lily drew.
Let's check the other track. 1, 2 triangles, then 1 circle. Triangle, triangle, circle! Hey! Just like my drawing.
Which means that's the track! Awesome work! Let's follow it, squad! Uh-oh! The track just stops!
Whoever is riding the scooter must have taken it on the sidewalk.
And it looks like the scooter doesn't leave a track on the sidewalk.
Which way did it go?
Hey, it's Smooth Move's monster! Maybe he knows where to find the scooter.
Where do monsters need to go? Listen to Smooth, I'm in the know. The museum is where the scooter is, and it's locked with the funniest lock in the biz. Most locks use keys, but this ain't like those. To open this lock, you gotta tickle its toes. Its toes are red and green and blue. Watch my sign, here's what to do. You tickle red once, and you tickle blue twice. Then you tickle green once, that's my advice. Red, blue, blue, green. Red, blue, blue, green. Tickle its toes. Red, blue, blue, green.
Thanks, Smooth Move's monster! Okay, so we know the scooter is at the museum.
And that the scooter's locked with a lock monster.
And that to open the lock monster, we need to tickle its toes. Red, blue, blue, green.
Can you help us remember that pattern all the way to the museum? You can? Oh, great! Let's say it together. Here we go. Red, blue, blue, green. Red, blue, blue, green. Red, blue, blue, green.
Here we are.
There's Mr. Cranky Pants Monster's yellow scooter. And the lock monster.
Hello, Goo, my favorite gooey nephew.
Uncle Gloop, what are you doing here? I can't wait to find out what the surprise is that you're bringing to show us.
Well, you don't have to wait any longer. You found it! Ta-da! My brand new monster scooter!
You're the customer who bought a scooter from Mr. Cranky Pants?
Yep. Uh-oh. Is something wrong?
You took the wrong scooter.
I did? And if this isn't the scooter I bought, whose is it?
Mr. Cranky Pants Monsters!
Oh dear, what a mistake, what a blunder, what a terrible blunder. I'd love to get it back to him, but I can't unlock this lock monster.
Don't worry, Uncle Gloop. We know what to do, don't we? Smooth Moves Monster told us we just need to tickle its toes.
Yeah, like this. Was the pattern red, green, green, blue, red, green, green, blue? No, that's not right.
Oh, can I try? How about green, green, blue, red, green, green, blue, got it either.
Do you remember? A monster math monitor. I bet she'll remind us. Red, blue, blue, green. Red, blue, blue, green. Yes, that's the repeating pattern we need.
Okay, so now that we've remembered it,
We'll tickle the lock monster's toes in that repeating pattern.
red, blue, blue, green. Red, blue, blue, green. We did it! We opened the lock monster! Oh, good job, Monster Math Squad!
Time to get this scooter back to Mr. Cranky Pants. Let's go!
I love my scooter. My scooter is my friend.
Wow, he looks almost happy.
I do? Oh, that's no good. I'm always cranky. Always! Maybe just this once I can be happy, though. I got my
Hey, I'm happy too. This is the best new scooter ever. Come on, Goo. Hop on.
Good work, Monster Math Squad. We got the scooters back to who they belong to and made everybody happy. Even Mr. Cranky Pants.
And we did it by knowing all about patterns. That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3. We did the math!
We did the monster math!
Big burp monster at the library.
This is the story of Goldie Monster and the 3 monsters.
3? Like me!
Once upon a time, there was a little monster named...
A little monster named... Wow! That's a weird name.
The scream screen always surprises Goo.
The Scream Screen! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care...
The Monster Math Squad will be there!
It's Miss Shush Monster. She's the librarian at Monstrovia Library.
Hi, Miss Shush Monster!
Shush! Oh, please keep your voices down. This is a library.
Oops, sorry, Miss Shush Monster. Miss Shush Monster keeps a very quiet library.
I certainly do, but it's not quiet today.
Whoa! What was that big sound?
That was Big Burp Monster.
Uh-oh! Big Burp Monster is a major burping monster.
Yes, he is, and I have never heard such loud burps. Oh, shush, please. He's looking for a book, but I have no idea which book. That's because he only speaks in burps.
How can we help?
I need you to figure out which book Big Burp Monster is looking for so that he can leave my library and all this monstrous burping will stop!
Don't worry, Miss Shush Monster. The Monster Math Squad is on the way.
Quietly!
We need to figure out which book Big Burp Monster is looking for. I'm sure we can use some monster math to do that.
Yeah! Monster Math can solve any problem!
For sure, because monster math is everywhere!
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Awesome. First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Hey, Monster!
Today's secret monster math word is numbers.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen!
Numbers!
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, right.
Come on, Monster Math Squad! Let's go help Big Burp Monster find his book! Hi there, Miss Shush. Oh, sorry, Miss Shush Monster.
Thank goodness you're here. I'm at my wit's end with that noisy Big Burp Monster.
Oh, what book you trying to find?
It's no use. Big Burp Monster only speaks in burps.
But, even if we know which book he wants, how will we ever be able to find it? There There's so many books in the library.
Did you see word monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, numbers. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, numbers!
Look, it worked! A monster math monitor. Maybe it can help us.
The mail carrier monster delivers a letter to number 1 Monster Lane. The mail carrier monster delivers a letter to number 2 Monster Lane. The mail carrier monster delivers a big package to number 3 Monster Lane.
Well, that was helpful. Now we know that numbers can be put on houses.
Yeah, each house has its own number. So that makes it easy to find someone's monster house.
Indeed. Numbers can help you find all sorts of things, including library books. In fact, all the books in this library are organized by using numbers.
Monster math amazing! And since math is all about numbers, let's do monster math!
Shush! Quietly!
Miss Shush Monster, can you tell us more about how numbers are used in the library to help find where a book is?
Of course, Lily. There are 3 different floors in the library and different types of books on different numbered floors.
Huh?
This is floor number 1. Floor number 1 has books about scaring. Floor number 2 has books about stinking. Floor number 3 has books about howling, snarling, and burping.
If we can find out which type of book Big Burp Monster is looking for, we'll know what floor number to find it on.
Now that Big Burp Monster knows what type of book goes on each floor, maybe he can burp out the number of the floor his type of book is on.
Great idea, Max. Big Burp Monster, can you burp out the number of the floor your book is on? Math Squad, help us count the number of burps he burps.
1, 2, 3! That means Big Burp Monster's book is on floor number 3.
The one with books about howling, snarling, and burping.
We can go up those stairs to reach floor number 3.
Let's go, squad!
Well, here we are. Floor number 3.
Wow! Look at all the books!
But which book is the one Big Burp Monster is looking for?
Shush, please! Oh, do hurry. I think his burps are getting louder.
Miss Shush Monster, you said the books on this floor are all about howling, snarling, and burping.
That's right, Lily. Shelf number 1 has books about howling. Shelf number 2 has books about snarling. And shelf number 3 has books about burping.
Good to know. Big Burp Monster, can you burp the shelf number of your book, please? Help us count the numbers again, squad.
1, 2, 3!
That means Big Burp Monster's book is in shelf number 3.
Oh, the shelf with burping books. All right, I'll find that shelf.
Me too! Let's count them. Shelf number 1. Numbers are fun.
Shelf number 2. They sure are, Goo.
Ha! Missed me!
Got me.
Uh-oh! I forgot what shelf number we were on.
I guess we'll have to count them all over again.
Silly monsters. You don't need to count the shelves. The numbers are right on each shelf. See?
Oh, cool! Numbers can help us find things and remember where they are.
Come on, squad. Let's find shelf number 3.
1, 2, 3! Here we are, books about burping.
Now you can find your book, Big Burp Monster.
Big burp.
Shush, please.
Uh-oh. What happened to the numbers?
Big Burp Monster's Big Burp blew them all around.
With the numbers messed up, how will we know which shelf is which now? I think I heard something. Did you see Word Monster? You did? Oh, let's shout out the secret monster math word, numbers, together again. On 3. 1, 2, 3, numbers!
Look! A A monster math monitor.
A big blue monster stomps his feet as he walks. That really shakes the ground. The shaking is causing a problem. The house numbers are spinning around. The monster's trying to find house number 3. Where, oh, where can it be? Another big stomp and, oh, there it is! House number 3. Hi.
Well, that was really interesting. Now we know that numbers are still the same numbers, even if they get turned all around.
Help us figure out which numbers these are so we can find the right shelf.
Oh, which number is this?
A 1, a 2, or a 3?
Which do you think? Does it look like 1, 2, or 3? Yes! 1. Well done.
It was just sideways, but it's the same number.
And we know that's not the number we're looking for.
Right, Max. We're looking for number 3, burping books.
Oh, how about this one?
Help us figure out which number this one is again. Is it number 2 or 3? Yes! Number 2. Good for you.
Hey, we're almost done. We found numbers 1 and 2.
I know what number is next. Do you? Yeah, it's 3, like me.
This must be shelf number 3. Let's see. Yes! Shelf number 3, burping books. Your book must be here, Big Burp Monster.
I think he found his book.
What's it called?
How to burp really, really loud.
Uh-oh!
Shush, please. Well, at least Big Burp Monster is gone.
Yes, and no more burping.
Excuse me.
We helped Big Burp Monster find his book.
And we did it by knowing all about numbers. Monster matherific job, squad. That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
We did the math!
We did the monster math!
Oh, shush, please.